what helped me along was this inner longing for strength, not violent, no violence, but strength in a way of power and inner peace. Because my father had been very deep in religion, philosophy. There had been a lot of books in his bookshelf. When I recovered from the sickness, as I laid in bed, I had a lot of books and so many different types of information, spiritual books as well, so I read and read and read.
The books helped you recovered from a childhood part of it, but
Yeah.
I suppose being able to remove your mind from the sickness and go into these worlds of discovery, it helped you on the path, yeah?
Yeah, and as well my ability to follow my dreams, right? Later on, the doctors said that I shouldn't do this and that. I shouldn't be involved in too much sport, etc. And I took another path, and I went to judo.